Hello, let me share with y'all my experience with pop-on veneers. I have had all kind of dental work done. I've had extractions, I've had crowns, I've had root canals, and everything and all. And I was considering implants, but they're very expensive. A friend of mine told me about pop-on veneers. So I hop online, pull up pop-on veneers, and I check the price and say, "Oh, that's nice." So I send for the impression kit, get the impression kit. I do my impressions, mail them back. 2 weeks later, I have my pop-ons. And I love them. I could not be more happy with them. If you're struggling with missing teeth, don't like your smile or whatever, no, check them out. It's easy. You just hop these out. Just like that. See my ugly teeth? And there's my top teeth. See the difference? I do not like to smile without these in. See? And when I'm talking, you really don't realize it. But I had teeth missing on the sides and all. And I just really wanted something to help my smile. And I tried pop-on veneers, and I absolutely love them. I could not recommend them more.